Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Montego Bay and I want to ask you guys a question. How long do you think it's going to take Jamaica to reach 80,000 hotel rooms? Now, Jamaica currently has about 30,000 hotel rooms. And I think in about 10 years, Jamaica will reach 80,000 rooms. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, Montego Bay is without a doubt the tourist capital of Jamaica. Could be one day the tourist capital of the Caribbean. Montego Bay will always hold the title of having the most hotels in Jamaica. Negril is growing. Ocho Rios has a lot of hotels. Port Antonio is emerging. But Montego Bay, because of the Sangster International Airport and the size of the area, Montego Bay will always have the title of having the most hotels or the most hotel rooms in Jamaica. So guys, let us know what you think about that. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, the reason why I say Jamaica can get to 80,000 hotel rooms in 10 years is because so many hotels are being built in Jamaica. And the hotels are getting bigger and bigger. Now, the average hotel in Jamaica that's being built is about 1,000 rooms. Now, if we build 5,000 hotel rooms a year, 10 years, that's 50,000. Add that on to the 30,000 we have already, and that's 80,000. Now just look at the hotels in the works. Moon Palace is building a 1,350 room hotel in Montego Bay. Hard Rock, over 1,000 rooms. Secrets, I think it's 700 rooms. Via Wyndham is 1,000 rooms. Princess Resorts is 1,000 rooms. Grand Bahia is building over 2,000 rooms in St. Anne's Bay. These are all projects in the pipeline. So we only need 5 of them to come on stream a year. Grand Palladium is building another 1,000 rooms. So Jamaica can easily get to 80,000 hotel rooms in 10 years. Easily. And that doesn't include all the Airbnb developments that are going up. So let's just look at the hotels that are going to start this year. Harmony Cove, 1,000 rooms. Groundbreaking should be sometime this year. Moon Palace, 1,350 rooms. They're going to break ground in a few weeks. That's 2,350 rooms. Unico is being built. Should finish this year with 450 rooms. That's almost 3,000 hotel rooms right there. Princess Resort has started building another 1,000 rooms. That's 4,000 rooms. And there's another hotel that's about to start. Hard Rock is to start very soon. So that's another 1,000 rooms. All these hotels can be built start in by the end of this year. So that's 5,000 hotel rooms right there. And there's so many more coming on stream. Now, Charisma Hotels plan to build 10 hotels in Runaway Bay in St. Anne. 10 hotels. That alone will be like 10,000 hotel rooms. That project I don't think is going to start this year, but it's going to start very soon. St. Thomas is emerging. Hotels are going to be built out there. You have a hotel being built at the Pinnacle. Should be ready sometime next year. AC Hotels is building another hotel in Montego Bay. So many hotels. And Montego Bay is leading the way with these new hotels. So guys, let us know what you think about Jamaica reaching 80,000 hotel rooms in the next 10 years. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.